We begin tonight with another down day on the Dow and other markets. Yesterday's excitement over a pause of President Trump's reciprocal tariffs, which drove the markets up, did not carry over, nor did positive news today on inflation reverse fears over the president's tariffs. All indexes were down 2.5% or more. Money Watch correspondent Kelly O'Grady joins me now. Okay, Kelly, what's today's explanation?
Look, I think a bit of reality set in. I mean, yesterday investors were excited about the possibility of trade negotiations, but I spoke to a lot of them yesterday after the market closed, and they said, look, we think that the reaction was overhyped. We don't think we've seen the bottom of the market yet. And they were expecting a lot more volatility because things keep changing minute by minute, John. And that's exactly what you saw today. I mean, if you looked at the swings in the S&P 500 up and down, realistically, 10% tariff on other nation, it's not nothing, and 145% on China. This was the market saying, okay, maybe yesterday was a sugar high.
Right. And as we've been discussing, it's not just where the tariffs end up. It's all that uncertainty as they chop around and jump around. Okay, but in the old days, like a couple of months ago, an inflation report like the one that came out today, we would be having a totally different conversation. What did you see inside the inflation report?
So if the market's trading on the what if, we got the what, right? A snapshot of where prices are. So the CPI report, actually, this is the second month it has come down. This was a good report card for the administration. It was driven largely by gas prices coming down about 6% or so month over month. Shelter, food prices were a little bit up, but not enough to offset that, even though egg prices were up 5.9%. But you hit on something. I saw this morning, and I'm thinking, wow, we're going to see a big reaction in the market. Any other day, it would have been that. But that tariff uncertainty was too much. It outweighed it.
Yeah, and those egg prices are often a special category from regular inflation-related items. Okay, so what do we look at, or what are you looking at as for the economy, the economy going forward?
So the tariff impact, you're not going to see that in inflation in the next month or couple of months, but earnings season starts tomorrow. And we're going to hear from three big banks. And so that means we're going to hear about the state of the consumer and how they see the economy developing over the next year. And what word are we going to hear, John, over and over?
Uncertainty.
Yes, uncertainty. Exactly. We're also going to hear from JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon, who has had a very pessimistic outlook of late. So keep a watch on the markets.